Hello, I'm Gavin Elliot, and today I'm addressing something incredibly important for parents: estate planning. As a parent, you want nothing more than to ensure your children's safety and well being, especially if something unexpected were to happen to you. Estate planning is one of the best ways to ensure that your children are protected in the event of an emergency. And yet, too many parents overlook this vital step. Today, we'll be discussing the potential consequences of not having a comprehensive estate plan in place and why it's absolutely crucial to ensure that your children are taken care of according to your wishes. As parents, you may have other priorities: your career, your family, your children's education. But none of these are more important than protecting your kids in the event of an emergency. Estate planning is not just for the elderly, it's for anyone with minor children, and it's essential to get it right. When you have children, estate planning becomes far more complicated than simply writing a will. It involves making critical decisions, such as who will take care of your children if something were to happen to you. In Florida and elsewhere, if you don't make these decisions legally binding, the courts will. And do you really want to leave such an important decision to the state? Here's the reality. If you don't designate a guardian for your children in a legally valid document, the court will decide for you. And this decision may not align with your wishes. Worse, it may involve a lengthy, costly legal process filled with uncertainty. Take the tragic story of Michelle and Carrie Baker. These were devoted parents with 3 young boys. Tragically, they died in a car accident, leaving their children behind. While the Bakers had discussed who should care for their children, they had not formalized their wishes in a legally binding document. As a result, their children faced a nightmare scenario. After the Bakers' death, the children were temporarily placed into the foster care system while the courts searched for family members. The process dragged on for years, involving thousands of court filings, 9 lawyers, and untold costs in the tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. More tragically, the children were denied the comfort and care of other family members they could have turned to. Instead, they were placed with an aunt who, allegedly, blocked other relatives from having any contact with the boys. This case is an unfortunate example of what can happen when estate planning isn't handled properly. The Bakers, like many parents, thought they had more time. But when tragedy struck, it was too late for them to make the decisions that could have protected their children. This is why I cannot stress enough how important it is to take action now. Your children's future and their safety depend on the decisions you make today. Estate planning involves more than just choosing who gets your assets. You need to choose who will raise your children if something were to happen to you. If you don't, the courts will step in, and you risk losing control of your children's future. You also need to ensure there are provisions for the financial care of your children, ensuring they are provided for, not just emotionally, but financially as well. Using a DIY or online estate planning tool might seem convenient, but it can fall short in crucial areas, especially when it comes to naming guardians and outlining your children's financial security. Without a customized plan, you might leave too much to chance, or worse, to the courts. If you're ready to take control of your children's future, we're here to help. At the Elliot Legal Group PA, we specialize in estate planning tailored to your unique family situation. We'll help you navigate the complexities of guardianship and ensure that your wishes are legally protected. Don't wait until it's too late. Give us a call today at 754-332-2101 to discuss how we can help you create a comprehensive estate plan that guarantees your children's safety and security. Your children are too important to leave to chance. Remember, estate planning isn't just about protecting your assets. It's about protecting the ones you love.